Namaskar. I'm Jyoti Sharma, PGT English, KV Ongc, Dehradun. Today, I'm going to discuss the steps taken to mitigate digital inequality. First of all, I would like to share that our Vidyalaya has separate WhatsApp group of all the classes, and in addition to these WhatsApp groups, we have an official YouTube channel Tutorial KVONGC also. In our Vidyalaya, separate time slots have been allotted to all the teachers for online teaching. So a time slot has been given to me, which is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and during this time slot, I share the content, give instructions, share the links and share the link of online classes. The YouTube channel of the Vidyalaya, as I already mentioned, is Tutorial KV ONGC Dehradun. So I upload videos in this channel and provide the link to the students. Well, I have prepared a class and section wise separate WhatsApp group also, which is NB correction 12C and NB correction 12D. Here NB stands for notebook. Now these groups have been prepared for discussion of the problems faced by the students and to supply the information, since the official class WhatsApp group has been used by many teachers and at times the information gets mixed up. So this is the issue which was brought to my notice in the beginning of the session. So I reached to this conclusion of making a separate WhatsApp group of English subject. Now this group is used to give extra question answers to the students, to attend to their queries, problems and offer even after the schedule of class, to attend the problems faced by them while completing their work, to ask them the status of their written work, to ask them to show their notebooks and share the latest information instruction from KVS or CBSE. Recently, the syllabus of class 12th was changed, so I shared that information in this group immediately. Now, online teaching, challenges faced. Yes, of course, I am also facing challenges like many other teachers. Initially, in the beginning of the session, on a collective consensus from the students, Zoom app was used by me. But later on, a few parents had objected. So I started using conference video calling along with the Zoom app simultaneously. But it was quite difficult for me to handle both. So I switched over to WebEx Meet. One more problem, which is the inability of the parents to procure required data net pack every day for each class. And of course, online teaching is really expensive. Now, this poor net connectivity is another issue which we all are facing. Then I faced the problem of intrusion by outsiders. So there was a strange incident. In that incident, somebody with the name Amit Chauhan logged inside my class. He unmuted himself and declared his love for a girl and logged out. I scolded the class and later reported the incident to my principal, Dr. Sharma. She deputed teachers to inquire the matter and reported to her higher officials also. And later on, we discovered that the child was not of our Vidyalaya. He was from some other Vidyalaya and he somehow had access to the link. He logged in and logged out. So after this incident, I started giving meeting IDs just a few minutes before the commencement of the class. I asked them to keep their videos open. Now a few parents had objection that madam, we have problem of that data net pack, this, that. Then I used to tell them that fine, let your child attend my class with a closed video, but whenever I ask him to open, he has to open. And then I started using laptop more often because the list of participants becomes invisible when we run PPT on smartphone, but they are visible in laptop. I asked a few confidential students to be vigilant, okay, so that they can inform me if there is any intrusion, outside intrusion. I randomly used to record classes and later deleted the recording. And I strictly told the students that the mischievous activities will not be tolerated and are being watched by cybercrime department. Later, they will be reported to the higher authorities. As I already informed you that I stopped using Webex, and moreover, we have been officially also told to avoid Zoom. And later on, I found that the students were more comfortable with Google Meet. So I started using Google Meet and discovered that the attendance was maximum when I used Google Meet. I also prepared Google Classroom of class 12C and 12B. Well, a few students didn't attend the online class. Yes, at times they don't attend. So I called their parents, and moreover, what I do that I take the screenshot of the participants and later post it in notebook correction group, and they are told that the marks of the internal assessment will be decided on the basis of their attendance. So this way somehow the online attendance has increased. For evaluation, I have prepared test in Google form, and when I post the link, I give direction that the test has to be submitted within this much of time slot, otherwise it will not be entertained. So this is how the students maintain the dignity of the exam also. So I am trying my best to cope up with the challenges of online teaching, and I pray that I manage to do it all and I will be successful. So thank you so much. Thank you.